This is my morning warm-up exercise. I got one of these deals. And I'll hit just 10 of these on each side. It's not a very high rep count or a lot of resistance, but it doesn't take me long to do it, and I feel better afterwards. Then I'll do 10 of these. I always do bicep curls first because I want to move the blood around my body and get my heart pumping through all the vascularity. Do some rubber band resistance squats. Then I'll do 10 of these, usually one at a time. Just a little bit to get the blood flowing. And then I'll do 10 of these. Lean forward slightly so you can hit your rear delt better. I usually do them after every meal, just to get my metabolism up. I gotta do something about this.